In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste just the formulas and functions in Excel without copying anything else. And I'll also show you how to do it using shortcut keys. And if you'd like to grab a copy of the Excel file I use in this video, just click on the link in the description below. Okay, I've got a little exercise set up here where we've got some formulas and functions in column C, and some of them have formatting and some of them don't. And we're going to copy them and paste them into column E without the formatting. So I'll show you a couple of different ways to do that. Okay, so let's start off with this one here, which is a formula, which is 1 plus 2 plus 3. And it doesn't have any formatting at the moment. It's just the general format and there's no colors or alignments or anything. So if we want to copy just that formula and paste it into cell E3, this is one way to do it. So we'll just click on that cell there, go to the Home tab in the ribbon and click on the Copy button. Come back over here and click on the Destination cell, and then come up to the Paste button in the ribbon and click on this button here that says Formulas. Okay, so if we have a look over here, you can see we've got 1 plus 2 plus 3 as a formula in cell E3. And we have the same thing over here in cell C3. So that's copied and pasted the formula. Now there was no formatting there anyway, so let's do this one here where we've got the same formula, 1 plus 2 plus 3, but we've got a blue fill and we've got left alignment as well. So what we want to do is copy just the formula and paste it over here. So we don't want any of the formatting. So let's do the same thing. We'll just go up and click on the Copy button, and then we'll choose our destination cell and we'll click on Paste and Formulas. Okay, so you can see E5 now has 1 plus 2 plus 3. It's got the formula in there. Cell C5 also has the formula, but it's also got the formatting. So it did not copy and paste the formatting. All right, let's do the same thing with a function, and I'll just show you the other way to do it as well. So here we've got 1 plus 2 plus 3, but we've got it in a sum function. So this time we'll just right click and then copy, come over to the destination cell, right click, and then click on this button here, which is to paste just the formulas. Okay, so that's just pasted sum 1, 2, and 3 there, which are copied from here. And we'll do the same thing here with this one that's got lots of formatting. Right click, copy, come over here, right click, and click on the Paste Formulas button. And there you can see it's copied over the sum function without the formatting. And there's the same sum function over there with the formatting. So just one last thing before we finish, I'll just show you the shortcut keys. If I just Control Z to undo, and this time we'll come over here and we'll Control C to copy, and then we'll select our destination cell and we'll press Control Alt V, and that brings up the Paste Special box. And there we can just click on Formulas and OK. And that's copied and pasted just the formulas. Okay, so that's a couple of different ways that you can copy and paste just your formulas and functions in Excel.